way to Manchester and we're about to take off. We've got a long flight ahead of us, but hopefully most of it will be spent sleeping. So yeah, hopefully.
Indeed.
Hello. Hey. This is my cousin. David's taking this, not
This
me.
is so we've got some good stuff going on.
So Dad, don't get me in trouble. Get David in trouble. SABRE. I said go over here. What's up, little mama? Hey, say hi to us. Hello.
Hi.
So we're in the car about to go home. I just wanted to say hello.
We're eating peanut butter.
Well, I wanted to say hello to everyone who knows Zion and misses Zion very much, because this is Zion.
Hi. Taller than Africa. And the peanut butter here is amazing.
That's all from Zion Townsend.
We are in Scotland on our way to Edinburgh to see Ben and Cal and the Edges and various people. You're on the road, buddy. So we thought we'd stop by this really cool place which looks old and awesome. Yeah, but I wasn't wandering around the middle of it.
So in Scotland, get some houses.
Ben is trying to avoid the camera at all costs.
Let's go.
Hello, I'm John. We're at Kim. We're in Edinburgh because my baby brother's in hospital. And we're staying in a Click Sergeant house, which is basically a house provided from the cancer people, because he's got a type of cancer called leukemia.
You know, so I can see what it's like.
You have to wait till Mummy comes in.
So we just said goodbye to the Edges and we're on our way back up to the car, and next we're going to see the Red Ferns.
It's too close.
So we're at the Townsend Chippy, the town head chippy, and we got our special forks and we're gonna have chips.
Okay, can we get what? Two jumbo biscuits. Yeah, bring them all, gather the blocks.
Jamie, you need to wake up. You can't have your sleeping. Can you please leave the sugar alone? Leave it alone, please. Right, guys. Definitely.
It's a bit like the butter you see.
Rio, sit down, please.
Place it rather than spread it. Place it. Mind your napkin.
Bless you, mate. It's nice to see you guys. Remember that book I read, by the way?
We're going to air tattoo and
What is it? What did we used to do as kids that we're now reliving?
Dad as a kid was going to Milton Hall as we were all singing just a moment ago.
We are now going to RAF Fairford.
And we're going to the largest air show on the planet.
For us was the crop tutor. The crop tutor is the starting point for us get flying, and both Liam and I flew our aircraft during our time as air cadets.
I have a bunch of
during
planes
our own
behind me.
flight training. Now the UK.
We're inside a model aeroplane. Pretty cool, isn't it? This is the trigger. The Korea.
Still deployed at this very moment from Shader over Iraq and Syria.
So we've got our earmuffs on, and
He's up there, look. He's up there.
and this is why.
Videoing.
Poor little Rio is still tired.
That's pretty cool.